Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. If you've been keeping up with my channel lately, you probably noticed that I've gotten really into lasers. They're great tools that you can have a lot of fun with, and I've got some great ideas for future content on my channel. With that being said, I want to show you the newest addition to my shop, the Atezr L2 24-watt laser engraver. Now, I'm not going to spend much time showing you the unboxing and assembling because that would be boring, and I'd rather spend the time showing off its cool features, but trust me, the instructions are super easy to follow and all the hardware is labeled to let you know which step to use it in. Alright, we're all assembled, and the first thing you'll notice is an upgraded optical access and linear guides which provide L2 with a 4 times longer lifespan. These support 180,000 sliding cycles. Enclosed timing belts ensure easy adjustment and minimal slippage, providing stable support for the L2's high-speed engraving, and the solid and stable frame provides a strong backing for high-speed engraving, ensuring the stability and reliability of the machine. In other words, this thing is super sturdy. My favorite feature so far is the power connection. The business end comes with a combination USB-A and USB-C connection. If you're a Mac user like me, it's just helpful to not have to go searching for an adapter. The first thing I like to do when I get a new laser is to mount it to a spoil board and test out the working limits. This machine has a 415mm squared working area, so I make sure I can outline that without hitting any of the limit switches. Once that's done, I'll engrave a grid pattern onto my spoil board, and I'm ready to start using my machine. The first feature I want to show is the Intelligent Air Assist System. This intelligent switch design allows for adjustable air output through light burn, and it had a direct power connect to the base unit, which is going to save space if you have limited electrical outlet options. One of the coolest features is the LED laser energy output display, which accurately measures and displays laser energy output, enabling you to adjust it quickly to suit different materials for optimal graving results. It also serves as a warning system that alerts you if the energy output falls below the set energy level, indicating a potential issue with the machine. This ensures you produce high-quality engravings consistently, preventing any downtime or losses. Cross-positioning autofocus ensures precise and accurate engraving results even for intricate designs. Say goodbye to time-consuming manual focusing and hello to faster and more efficient engraving with automatic and accurate positioning of the engraving point. No more adjusting set screws and kickstands to find your optimal focus point. This machine simply does it for you. Next, let's talk safety. The L2 comes with a manual key that must be engaged for the machine to operate. Without the key, the machine will not function. So if you're worried about your machine being in use when you're not around, just take the key with you. It also has an anti-tilt device built in, so if the machine ever tilts past 30 degrees, it will automatically power down to ensure no damage to the machine or your work area. And don't worry about losing your work, the machine has an automatic restart, but we'll talk more about that in a minute. The L2 has a real-time flame detector that monitors the entire working area to prevent sparks from growing into an actual fire. The flame detection is light-based, and in some cases, bright enough lights such as the sun will set it off, so I've set up a little experiment to see if we can get it to activate. And just like that, the flame detector shuts down the machine, emits an alarm, and sends the laser head back to home position. Let's run a few cut tests now. The L2 features an automatic syncing function that allows for cutting different thicknesses without adjusting several times. Compared with other brands, the L2 laser engraver boasts a 30% increase in sinking depth with the same power, allowing it to cut wood up to 20 millimeters thick. The machine has significant speed improvements, allowing increased engraving speeds by as much as 3 to 4 times more than the first generation machine. The 3-speed switching mode allows you to choose the mode that best suits your project needs. The Atezr L2 comes with a 4.3-inch intelligent touchscreen that simplifies the workflow of your daily projects, letting you manage the most used tasks directly from the touchscreen, such as turning off the flame detector, turning on autofocusing, and more. And finally, probably the coolest feature of this machine is the power loss recovery. There's no need to worry about power outages ruining your work anymore. The Acer detects power loss automatically and then resumes exactly where it left off with 0.5 millimeter accuracy. I appreciate you guys checking out this great new addition to my shop, and be sure to look out for it in future videos. If you want to learn more about it or to get your own, check out the links in my video description.